Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your in-game language on the Flash Party game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Flash Party game on your device, and after you have been taken into the homepage, even if you don't understand the language that you are currently seeing, if you wish to change it, then click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are within the gear icon, click on the first option, which is the settings. From here, you will need to now go into the game option, which is the second to last option at the left menu. Once you click on this, the very first drop-down option is the language. You can click on this and you will see the various different languages that are available. Click on your preferred language, and when you are asked to confirm, press the spacebar key or click on confirm. This will now apply your changes to the game and your chosen language will now be used. If you wish to change it once again in the future, follow the same steps by tapping on the gear icon at the top right, choosing the first option, then going to the second to last option at the left and using the first drop-down menu. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game language on the Flash Party game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.